This is the Frugal Gardener, and if you live in zone 6A to anywhere below, I'm going to tell you something that you already know. It's hot, and it's been hot. This is the fourth summer where temperatures have been going up steadily every year. So what do you do? If you're a fan of Star Trek like I am, you probably remember the episodes with the Borg. And what do? They adapt. And that's what I did. I had to adapt because I lost so many plants last year, and I was determined not to let that happen to me again. So I spent part of the winter coming up with ways to hydrate my plants, to save my plants from the heat. And I have come up with quite a few methods, and they seem to be working. Under here is my shade cloth. It's going to 96 today, probably hotter in the sun. I have at least 5 different methods that I'm using just in this section alone in my garden. I have a drip hose, I have mulch, I have I think it's an Ola, I'm not pronouncing it correctly. I have this gadget here. Is a connector. Let's see if I can get a better shot. And basically this runs to about 75 feet all the way to the other side of my garden. Inside here is squash, blue lake green beans. I have corn back here. There are some potatoes in those containers in the front. I have a couple of radishes. These are miniature or baby yellow watermelons. And these are the cucumbers. And they're doing well, thank you very much. Couldn't say the same last year. If you saw the temperature that I showed a few minutes ago, it's already 90. But it doesn't look like it inside. And that's because I have used all those methods, which is probably overkill. But for the purposes of the series that I am shooting, I decided to use several methods in here at once. This is more of my showpiece. The title of the series is the H2O Garden Oasis Project. It's a 4-part series, and it basically shows you how to keep your plants alive, shows you how to save money, ways you can find water without having to always just use the tap water. I'm using my drip irrigation system today because it's hot. I don't feel like being out here, but I also have other sources of free water. So, hope you guys check it out. It's on YouTube. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Have a great day. And remember, if you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you later.